In addition, today's Tesla news includes some interesting information for our Tesla investors. Did you know that your electric vehicle can reach a top speed of 200 miles per hour? Yes, just like a sports car. This is great news for everyone who enjoys driving and chasing fast cars. Give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to Tesla Stock News and stay tuned for additional updates about the Cybertruck and its new battery. Tesla has recently published an engrossing video introducing the future Model S Plaid track package. When the Plaid model was first launched, Tesla had advertised this top speed. However, the delivery for November 2021, Tesla offered a carbon ceramic kit for $20,000 in an attempt to address the limited speed of the vehicles. A video. Class of race car driver Sebastian Vettel driving a model as Plaid with the ceramic brake kit raised hopes that Tesla would begin offering the upgrade to customers. The track package will be available for purchase next month, and customers can conveniently purchase it through the Tesla app. However, the new track package comes with a 20-inch zero gel wheel package and Goodyear Supercar 3-year tires in addition to the brake kit. Let's move on to another. Several YouTubers in Europe have already been granted access to this package, and a post of reviews showcasing the Model S Plaid reaching speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour. Tesla will also offer the wheel and tire package separately for $8,220 starting in June. While Tesla had previously attained 4,000 Model I units per week in early April. The goal was always to reach the 5,000 mark for volume production at the Texas plant to honor this milestone. Tesla has now successfully reached its target of manufacturing 5,000 Model I automobiles per week at Giga, Texas. Tesla released a brief film showing employees celebrating by congregating outside the Giga Texas factory. Because Giga Texas has been working on establishing the production process for Model I vehicles using the cutting-edge 4680 cells and structural battery packs. It took them a little longer than Giga Berlin to meet the goal. Although the precise percentage of Tesla's new 46,680 Model I production figures is unknown, it appears that they are effectively increasing the production of this technology. The fact that Tesla's website now allows users to configure the 4680 standard range Model Y is encouraging. This is a big step forward as the 4680 cells were initially only available in limited quality through inventory. The 4680 cells were first introduced at Tesla's Battery Day event in 2020 with the promise of enhancing battery longevity, power, and vehicle range. New files noticed by Tesla Roadie suggest that Tesla is extending their materials lab location, which has been undergoing alterations since 2021. This indicates that the company is apparently moving forward with the expansion of their Caddo Road facility where they are being created. The company has been focusing on this technology at its Fremont Caddo Road facility. It looks like they are succeeding and will continue to expand as they aim to produce a total of 1.8 million cars this year. However, one important question remains. Will Tesla use 4,680 cells Pi Cybertruck initially? Although this was the initial plan, there are indications that this will be put on hold while Tesla is expanding its 4,680 development. The most recent filings came in late April. This expansion makes sense given their success of the new 4,680 pilot plant. In the long run, Tesla plans to implement 4,680 production lines at their Giga Texas and Giga Berlin factories. In order to implement performance improvement measures, 4,680 batteries volume production has been delayed. Instead of starting in the first half of the fiscal year, which ends in March 2025, bulk production is now planned to start in April or September of 2024. This development is intriguing since it suggests a few ideas. The Cybertruck may initially ship with 2170 cells, similar to the adjustment Tesla had to make with the Giga Texas Model I. Originally, Tesla had planned to manufacture their car exclusively with 4,680 battery cells in Texas and Berlin, but they're currently producing the 2170 Model I in both factories, while the 4,680 Model I is only being made in Texas. First, Panasonic will not be able to assist with the initial production of the Cybertruck if Tesla moves forward with the 4,680 cells. This means that Tesla will be reliant on its own cell capacity, which is currently being used in the base model of the Model I in the US. If Panasonic is able to successfully bring these cells into full production, Tesla may be able to introduce the Model S next year, which will have a range of 465 miles, and the Model I, which could potentially have a range of close to 400 miles instead of the current top range of 330 miles. Chinese reports have previously indicated that Panasonic's 4,680 cells can increase the range of Tesla's vehicles by 15%. Enhancements would provide Tesla with a competitive advantage and draw in additional clients. When Tesla switches to these cells, their entire lineup will have a 15% longer range, giving them a clear competitive edge while Panasonic's cell supply is delayed. In order to maintain its competitiveness over the long run, Tesla is probably going to reduce the size of its battery pack, 15, negating the range improvement while also lowering the pack's cost. It may take some time before we see the 15 improvement and 4,680 cells on the consumer side unless we closely monitor the developments. According to Elon Musk's previous statements, even their 400-mile range cars offer more than what almost anyone needs for daily use. In recent news, the Cybertruck found itself stuck in a field in rural Texas, which does not bode well for this tough all-wheel drive. Since its announcement, Tesla has made a point of highlighting this truck's off-road capabilities, and Elon Musk even hinted that it may compete in the Baja 1000, a Mexican off-road race. The prototype that is being seen in the field is the same one that was on display at the groundbreaking ceremony for Tesla's new lithium refinery facility near Corpus Christi. Although it's uncertain what caused the breakdown, there are Tesla personnel gathering on the side of the road, looking a little confused. One event raises concerns about the prototype's possible problems, but it's important to remember that the trucking incident didn't have the right tires for the task. The Cybertruck still has a lot to prove, and one sighting doesn't offer solid proof of its skills. It's just another amusing picture of the Cybertruck in a terrible circumstance, akin to the well-known window breaking incident. In other news, a semi-truck competition is scheduled for later this year, which should be excellent news for Tesla and electric semi-enthusiasts. The goal of the Run on Less competition is to demonstrate improvements in freight efficiency. At a previous Tesla semi-delivery event, the company showcased a video of an 8-hour run between Fremont and the PepsiCo bottling plant in San Diego. They claimed that the semi started with a 97 battery charge and towed nearly 82 zero-pounds for a 500-mile journey, ending with a 4% battery charge. The director of PepsiCo's fleet sustainability and technology expressed excitement about the company's participation in the event and sharing insights gained from their experience with these vehicles. Tesla's electric division will participate data on the performance and efficiency of the Tesla semi collected during the event will be made publicly available on the Run for Less website, enabling practical comparisons of performance and efficiency between various vehicles. The North American Council for Freight Efficiency's executive director anticipated that during the event, fleet managers and trucking companies would pay close attention to the Tesla semi. Switching gears, we have some updates from other manufacturers. Tesla's participation in this competition is a big milestone for the company and the electric semi industry as a whole. In person, the Kia EV9, which has been observed undergoing testing in Southern California, is even more remarkable. This March, unveiled SUV is scheduled to go on sale in the US later this year. Kia plans to sell the EV9, its second electric car, later this year. It has two motors that can provide up to 379 horsepower all-wheel drive and a 5,000-pound towing capacity. Passed with features like configurable star map, LED daytime running lights, and dimensions similar to the Kia Telluride. The EV9 intends to make a splash in the competitive electric submarket. Pricing is anticipated to fall between $55,000 and $60,000. With plans to invest more in electric vehicle technology, Toyota hopes to introduce 10 new battery electric vehicles and reach 1.5 million EV sales annually by 2026. The company's new CEO is bringing new viewpoints to the table in the main areas: body and chassis, electronic systems, and software, and the development of a specialized simple platform. With its more aggressive styling and enhanced aerodynamics, the next generation EVs, which is anticipated to launch in 2026, will help Toyota overtake other automakers in the shift to electric vehicles. By delivering its first Ocean SUV to a customer in Denmark at a cost of $68,999, Fisker has accomplished a significant milestone. With two motors, this special edition SUV has an amazing range of 707 kilometers. By the end of September, Fisker hopes to deliver all 5,000 units of the Ocean One edition. They are also developing more reasonably priced models such as the Ocean Sport, which starts at $37,499 and finishes in September. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next Tesla stock news video.